Hello, herbal enthusiasts! Today we'll be discussing the wonders of sage in alleviating menopausal symptoms. Sage, or salvia, has been used for healing for generations. It's considered the best herbal medicine for supporting estrogen balance and alleviating menopausal symptoms. And current studies prove its effectiveness in treating the symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, sweating, fatigue, lack of concentration, and night sweats. But before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our fantastic information about all things herbal. Insightful research reveals that the severity of all of the aforementioned symptoms were decreased significantly after using sage extract. And another study showed that consuming this herb alleviated symptoms like flushing, palpitations, muscle pain, sleep and mood disorders, and night sweats. Additionally, a controlled study comprised of 71 menopausal women found that a fresh sage extract lowered the severity and number of hot flashes. And another study revealed that taking sage with alfalfa daily minimized hot flashes and night sweats. Sage works by supporting estrogen balance to alleviate menopausal symptoms and can produce an anti-estrogen effect. Now that you know of the wondrous effects of sage, let's delve a little bit more into its uses and methods of ingestion. Sage is a medicinal herb from the mint family, and most people enjoy sage in tea. However, this medicinal herb is also available as a capsule and an essential oil. When using sage the essential oil, you must read the directions on the bottle to ensure that you don't ingest more than the recommended amount. Excessive amounts of the essential oil, over 12 drops, can harm your health. More on that in a moment. Since research supports the efficacy of sage supplements for menopausal symptoms, you can follow the recommended dosages to improve your symptoms. It's best to start with a 2,500 mg standardized sage capsule, so you can identify what amount best suits your needs. While sage is generally considered safe to take, there are over 900 varieties, so you must research the type you're using before you take it. While there are no adverse side effects associated with sage consumption, the herb contains a volatile oil called thujone, which is a neurotoxin that can impact your nervous system and trigger convulsions. It can also interfere with diabetes medications and anticonvulsant drugs. Additionally, thujone can cause the following side effects: kidney damage, rapid heartbeat, restlessness, seizures, vertigo, and vomiting. In light of these significant side effects, when you are choosing your sage supplements, buy ones that are thujone-free. Some studies did report that sage can cause sleepiness and slowed breathing. So as always, we recommend consulting your doctor before taking new capsules. The effects of sage in your health regimen won't show up immediately. You need to be a little bit patient. While different people respond differently to sage, most studies report improvements within 4 to 8 weeks. While sage is considered the best herb for menopause, if you prefer a different herb, you can try red clover, wild yam, and linseed. So there you have it. If you're suffering from the effects of menopause and want a safe and effective supplement to help out, you can't do any better than sage. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. If you have any experiences with sage that you would like to share, or a question that you would like to ask, please do so in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us. Please be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button to ensure that you get all the latest information on natural remedies. Until next time, stay healthy.